Yo, big shout out to Duke Hazard for this Freeform Loc dreadlock journey update that he supplied the internet with, the Freeform community with, over on his YouTube channel. I just want to say how much I've been inspired by these locks. I think his story behind them is very extravagant, it's very interesting, and you know, his locks just have a lot of dynamics that I haven't quite seen many people reach in their lock journeys, because to get this far it takes decades of lock commitment. So big ups Duke Hazard for his dedication, and I hope you guys enjoy this dread review, dread journey spotlight on the man himself.
It's different when you freeform. It's different.
I got them things tied back, but they loose. You know what I mean? No manipulation. You see how that one just loose? Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all.
They got it tied up. That fancy. That fancy.
That fancy. She got it tied up. You know what I mean? That big. Take them down. Let this sun get on them. Let this sun get on these boys today. Had them put them up last night. So that's what I'm working with. Working with a full deck. Working with a full deck. Y'all know how the vibes is. Y'all know how the vibes is. Y'all know how the vibes is. Yeah. When I started growing on my locks, man, I didn't imagine in 1,000 years that they would have came out like that. See, my journey was a different type of journey. I started growing my locks because one of my cousins, favorite cousin, who I look up to dearly, got locked up for murder. Double homicide, he had to do 20 years. So I told myself, I'm gonna grow my hair when I was like 13. So with that being said, I got an age, you know, I was like, I'm gonna grow them. Grew them, started growing them, fell in love with them. So once they got so long and I had them been through so much with them, I was like, I'm doing this journey for myself too. Journey was for Cub, not knowing that the big journey and the main journey was me going through what I was going through with these. Me, personally. This is my first set. I'm not cutting them. I'm not cutting them. We done been through too much. But it's different. It's different when you freeform. It's different. See, the freeform community still takes somewhat of a hit, a negative hit, because people ain't used to seeing it. Like, people used to seeing this like places of like Jamaica, you know, people from the islands. You just see this shit in Florida, New Orleans, places like that. But usually when you start going to places like New York, you start going to places like Alabama, Memphis, like the West Coast, they got dreads, but they locks are different. Everybody locks be different around the world. Every culture, every state, lock their hair different.
Oh, and check out his channel as well. The link is in the description down below.